How do you identify an unknown plant? You've done your delineation, you have a list of plants, but you don't know all of the plants. The very best thing you can do is to collect some of the material, put it into a plastic bag along with a damp paper towel and some extra flowers, as much material as you possibly can, and take it to someone who can help you determine what it is. This could be a professional botanist, plant taxonomist. This could be someone at a museum. This could be someone in a biology department at a university, or a local naturalist who's familiar with the plants. But if you can't do that, and you can't get the plant to the person that's going to help you within a day or two, then you need to use a plant press. And a plant press is a very simple, venerable botanical device that consists of boards or racks and cardboard corrugates which have vents for the air to come through when you dry it. So the racks, the corrugates, and the straps make up the plant press. If you are going to make a plant specimen, it's very important that you arrange it on the sheet of newspaper as clearly as possible so that the features, the salient features of the plant are evident, like the roots, the leaves, the flowers. Be certain to turn over one of the leaves so that the features of the undersurface can be seen. And also take care to use only a single thickness of newspaper because it will dry faster than that. Then write on the newspaper, not on a piece of paper that might fall out, but write on the newspaper the plant, unknown yellow flower plant A, and write it on here so that when you make up your final list, you'll know exactly which plant you were talking about. And it's always good when you're doing this to put in extra flowers because these have to be dissected in many cases to identify the plant. Then you simply put the newspaper over it, you put a cardboard corrugate on top of it, and you have the beginning of your plant specimen. Now there are a group of plants, particularly those which are grass-like, which require the base of the plant for proper identification. Like this sedge that we have here, where you can see the rhizomes. The person identifying it needs to know that this plant has rhizomes. So when you make your specimen, it's important that you have rhizomes in here. You don't just pull up some of the plant and put it on the sheet. And again, you arrange it on the sheet in such a way as to make the parts evident. You might need more than one sheet for it. And you bend it over so that the whole plant fits on one sheet. You don't want parts of it sticking out. Now, not only are you going to be working with grass-like plants, but also with woody plants. And for woody plants, obviously, you can't press a tree or saw down a tree. So it's important that you, first of all, note as many features of the tree or the shrub as you can, bark color, any odor of the flowers, or other things that wouldn't be evident from the specimen. And then you arrange these again on the sheet, put as much extra material in there as you possibly can, and you make a sandwich. And then the plant press is assembled, and we put the rack back on the top, and we tighten it down as much as we possibly can. You want it to be as flat as possible. It will dry faster, and it will make a better specimen if a permanent specimen is needed of it. And there we have some plant specimens in the plant press. And now these can be used when you make your final list. Once you get the determination from the specialist, the person who's helping you, you can write the names on the paper and then enter that into your data sheet.